Let's walk through a real incident, not a hypothetical one, the kind that actually causes stress. A team is relying on an answer generated 2 weeks ago. It informed a decision. It was shared internally. It is still being used. Then someone notices a discrepancy. A source has updated its guidance. The current answer no longer matches what is now published. This is where most systems panic. Screenshots are taken. Slack threads explode. Someone asks, "What did we say before?" In CueCrux, we do not start with opinions. We start with replay. The first step is to locate the answer receipt. We open the receipt linked to the original answer. It tells us exactly when the answer was generated, which mode was used, and what confidence level was assigned at the time. Next, we inspect the evidence section. The receipt lists the precise artifacts and chunks used. Each one is referenced by a stable identifier and content hash. This matters. We are not guessing which document version was used. We are not relying on URLs that may now point somewhere else. We know exactly what the system saw at the time. Now we replay. Using the receipt, CueCrux reconstructs the answer as it was generated. Same evidence, same retrieval configuration, same ranking and selection logic. The replay produces the same answer. This confirms something important. The system did not hallucinate. It did exactly what it said it did. Next, we compare with the current state. CueCrux retrieves the latest version of the affected source. It hashes the new content and records it as a new event. No history is overwritten. Now, we run the answer again. A new receipt is created. We place the two receipts side by side. This is where the incident becomes understandable. We can see which evidence remained the same, which artifact changed, which chunk no longer supports the original claim. We also see how confidence changed. In this case, coverage dropped below a threshold. CueCrux recorded that drop explicitly. Nothing was hidden. Nothing was smoothed over. At this point, the team can answer the hardest question calmly. What did we know, and when did we know it? They can say, at the time of the decision, the evidence supported the answer. After the update, it no longer does. Here is the exact difference. No one is blamed. No one rewrites history. The incident review is no longer a debate. It is a comparison. Finally, watch is involved. Anyone who had declared reliance on this answer was notified. Not with urgency, not with noise. They received the old receipt, the new receipt, a clear explanation of what changed. This closes the loop. The incident is not just resolved, it is documented. Future teams will not rediscover this problem. They will replay it. This is the real value of incident replay. Not faster blame, not better storytelling, but the ability to replace panic with inspection. CueCrux does not prevent incidents. It prevents confusion when incidents happen. That is what operational maturity looks like.